What is the purpose of an oil trap in HVAC and refrigeration? The primary function of an oil trap is to ensure that lubrication oil gets back to the compressor. So let's say we have an evaporator below the compressor, and the compressor is like 50 feet or so above it. As refrigerant's flowing up to the compressor from the evaporator, let's say we shut down. On the off cycle, what happens? Well, we got gravity. Gravity is going to allow that oil lubrication to fall down that long pipe. Before I go on, P-traps and oil are covered in a free course by Copeland. It is called Understanding the Role of Refrigerants in HVAC and Refrigeration. All our horizontal piping should be sloped towards the flow as well, because that's going to help with oil return. So we're going to trap at the very bottom of the first riser. And then depending on who you talk to, every 10 to 20 feet as you go up. Let's say we have a design and we are going to trap every 15 feet. We're going to come out of the evaporator. We're going to slope back towards the flow of refrigerant. We're going to trap at the bottom of the riser, and then we're going to trap every 15 feet. If we have that 50-foot riser, we're going to trap at the bottom. There's our first one, and every 15 feet up. So we're going to end up with one at the bottom, 15 feet, 30 feet, and 45 feet. So what that's going to do for us is every time we start moving refrigerant back, that velocity in the suction line will grab the oil that's trapped in the trap. That's why it's called a trap, because we're trapping it there. It'll grab the oil in the trap and bring it back to the compressor.